Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, we will see simple steps to deploy progressive app from Microsoft Intune to our Windows devices. Progressive web apps are built with web technologies like HTML, CSS, or any other web technologies. And as that a web app, those apps will be opened into the web browser, but they feel like an actual native app. As a web app, we can also deploy a PWA apps from Microsoft Tune, and the shortcut will be on the desktop, and also the app will be installed in Microsoft Edge browser seamlessly, and user will have no control on uninstalling it. So let's go ahead and show you how this app will appear on the desktop of a Windows device and also in the browser, right? In Microsoft Edge browser, I've already opened the app section. In all apps, we don't have any apps. How I navigate to the apps by going to three dots here and then app and view app. In the view app section, we didn't have any app. Alright, so here if you can get by going to this URL, right, to check the apps. We don't have any app here and we don't have Outlook app on our desktop. We are going to deploy the web app outlook.com, right, via this code. I will paste this code in the video description for your ease. So sign in to Microsoft Intune by going to intune.microsoft.com with a global administrator account or an Intune service administrator account. Then go to devices. In the devices section, choose the platform Windows. In Windows devices, go ahead and choose configurations. We want to create here a configuration profile. Hit create, hit new policy, select the profile here. We want it for Windows 10 and later, and in the profile type, click setting catalog and hit create. In the name, put the description name, deploy Outlook progressive web app. I want same in the description. Hit next. In the configuration setting, go to add setting. In the search bar, search for web apps. Hit enter. And in the category, select Microsoft Edge here. Once you have select Microsoft Edge, you can select configure list of force installed web apps here. Hit enter and you can now close this categories option. In the configure list of force installed web app, go ahead and enable it. Once we toggle the switch to enable, it's asking URL for web apps to be silently installed, and this settings is device based. And this apps will be installed silently and user will have no control on uninstalling or removing this web app. Now here we need to provide the JSON string to deploy this Outlook web app, right? So I will paste this JSON string in the video description for you. So let's paste it, and also let me show you that if you want more than one web app URL to be added here, you can add more than one URL. Just the format will be for the second URL. You can copy from default to this bracket here, right? And can paste it here. Just remember you have to put this bracket here. And for example, I want to add the second URL here that could be itk.com. So this is just for your understanding that if you want to add more than one URL, you can add it by this way, right? We have to just copy this code from here and we can put this code again here in the JSON file. I will put all these information in the video description so that if you want you can add more than one URL. So let's go ahead and see. We have added only one URL code here, the JSON code here. Hit next. I will leave the scope tag option default here, and now here we have the option to add group, add all user, add all devices. So here we have to add the devices group, right? Make sure you will add a devices group here because the setting is device based, right? So let me search for a group. I have all company devices with E3. Yeah, I've added a devices group here. Okay, hit next. And now we are on the level where we can review all of the settings here, right? And we are ready to hit create. Policy created successfully. Let me refresh the page. Here you go. We got this progressive web app policy created here, and once this policy is deployed, this policy could take some time to propagate across your all devices. And if you want to view the report here about your progressive web app deployment, you can see here all the status, right? For your all of the devices will appear in this menu, and in the dashboard you can see succeeded, error, conflict not applicable, or in progress, right? And also you will be able to export that report from here about your progressive web app deployment, right? If you hit yes, this report will get exported, right? So that's it from the Intune Admin Center, how we can deploy a progressive web app and how we can get this report here. And let's see if you want to edit this policy, how we can do that. You can edit assignments from here. You can edit settings from here if you want to add. This is asking me to save the CSV file on the desktop. Okay, let's see how this looks until it's opening. If you want to add one more web app or extend the URL of this app, you will be able to do that. How you will be able to do that? Let's see here in the configuration setting. Right, you can add setting and you can give extend this URL, and you can add one more setting there if you want. So yeah, that's it from admin, and let me show you how this web app will appear on the users and or on the computer that is joined to Microsoft Intune. First of all, this will be the format of that web app report which you have deployed for your computers. So once you will deploy that, you will get device name, UPN mean email, report status, and all the required field here, right? We have this empty because my current web app didn't get deployed on any of the computer. This could take some time. Let me pause the video. Okay, so let me show you once the Outlook web app will be deployed from Intune and propagated across your devices, that will create a shortcut icon on your desktop here, right, which will open Outlook directly once you double click on this shortcut. And the second option which we have checked in Microsoft Edge apps, go to three dots and then go to apps and see view apps. Right, in the view apps section you will see Outlook PWA is there. One more option to check the web apps on your edge is you can go to this simple URL and hit enter, and here you will see that Outlook PWA is deployed from your Microsoft Intune. That's it about today lecture. I try my best to explain you to the point and in a simple words and in a simple process. My target is to always guide you to the point and not to waste even a single minute of any viewer. Thanks for watching, keep sharing, keep commenting, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.